Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to make a tabular report. I thought it'd be important to take a look at, what actually qualifies a report to be tabular versus matrix or joined. So looking at the Trailhead website, we have the different report formats, and I want to make a video on each type. But today we're starting with the tabular format. And the primary use case is to make a list. It's supported in dashboards, and it supports bucket fields. So like report charts and everything else, that kind of applies to summary. Matrix is about grouping and summarizing. So we'll get into that in future videos, but we're going to start with the tabular reports. So in Salesforce, I'm in the sales app, but if the report tab is not listed for you, you may have to go over to the 9 dots, the 3x3, whatever you want to call it, and search for the report object. We're going to go to the reports. Every time you come over, it's going to put you in your recent tab on the left. I haven't viewed any reports recently. So if you go to all reports, this will show you all the reports that are in your org. And then this is the all folders. This shows you the folders that the reports are listed in. And this is just one folder that's out there for me. But we are going to create a new report. So we're going to come over here to the right and select new report. When it opens up, we're going to choose the report type. So these are all the different reports we could choose from that are already created in the org. So like activities with contacts, contract history, contracts with orders. You can see, so you can do a report on your screen flows. We're just going to do an accounts report for now. We're going to hit continue. All right, so we have it loaded here. So kind of some things to look at for your report. You have on the left side here, you have your outline and your filters. So it's set to outline right now, so you can see the different columns that we have available. And then under filters, this is our filter criteria. And right now it's not showing any reports. So we're going to change it from my accounts to all accounts and hit apply. And then we're going to change the created date to all time. And you can see it's still not showing you the results. So I'm here on the right, we're going to update preview automatically. You can hit refresh manually, but I really like this. So as you change your filters and add columns, you will be able to see the results updated live here. Now it won't show you all the results, but you'll be able to run the report and see them. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this last activity column here because there's no data in this. So you can either hit the X here for remove or hit this little drop down and remove column. And I want to remove, I'll move that last modified date and I'll do it the other way here. Perfect. Also here on the left side, I just want to point out, we do have this field collapsible menu. So these are all the fields that are available to add to the report. It is nice to use this. Most of the time I come over here and I'll search the column. You can click in here and it shows you the available options underneath the count. So maybe I want to we'll add a column in here. Let's add the ticker symbol. It's maybe a blank column. Okay, we got some information here. So we have the ticker symbol and I want to move it up here. You can click and drag your fields here to different sections. So if you want the ticker symbol to be first, you can drag it up to the top. You can rearrange things as you want. So under the filters, you can also add other filters in here too. So maybe you want the state. We'll type in state. Let's say billing state to equal Texas, TX. Hit apply. And that will filter your results right here. You could even, let's just say you can remove your filter here. But it'll say if you wanted to change that to rating, just type rating. And you want it to equal hot. There's also not equal to hot. So it'll show you everything but that. So it'll show you warm, cold, or a blank value. You can also add in, there's a lot of different filter options you can add in here. You can do multiple. So hot and no selection will be removed. So you just show warm and cold. So we'll remove that. But this is the tabular report. I know that it mentions over here on Trailhead that you can have bucketed fields, and I'm actually going to create a separate video for that because you can do a lot with bucket fields and they're really cool. You can actually add them right here on the drop down, over here on the column drop down. You can add bucketed columns. So I'll show you that in a future video, but this is the tabular report, and that's how you run it. Probably should show you that too. So it shows total number of records, and here is that. But in the next video, we'll be covering the summary report, and then matrix, then join. So if you like that, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.